How to use Bard to create great social media content. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Bard to create great social media content. So, you want to create great social media content, but you don't have the time or the energy to do it all yourself. Well, you're in luck. Bard is a powerful AI language model that can help you with all of your social media content needs. What is Bard? Bard is a large language model created by Google AI. It's trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which means it can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. How can Bard help me with social media content? Bard can help you with all aspects of social media content creation, from coming up with ideas to writing the copy to creating images and videos. Here are a few specific examples. Coming up with ideas. Bard can help you come up with ideas for social media posts by brainstorming topics, writing headlines, and even generating entire blog posts. Writing copy. Bard can help you write engaging and informative social media copy. It can also help you optimize your copy for search engines. Creating images and videos. Bard can help you create images and videos for your social media posts. It can even generate memes and GIFs. How to use Bard for social media content creation. Using Bard for social media content. Creation is easy, just follow these steps. 1. Go to the Bard website and create an account. 2. Once you're logged in, you can start using Bard to generate content. 3. To come up with ideas, simply type in a topic or keyword and Bard will generate a list of ideas for you. 4. To write copy, type in your headline and Bard will generate a few paragraphs of copy for you. 5. To create images or videos, simply type in a description and Bard will generate an image or video for you. Tips for using Bard for social media content creation. Here are a few tips for using Bard for social media content creation. Be specific. When you're asking Bard for ideas, be as specific as possible. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. Be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and formats. Bard can help you come up with some really creative content. Proofread your work. Once Bard has generated your content, be sure to proofread it before you post it. This will help ensure that your content is free of errors. Bard is a powerful tool that can help you create great social media content. If you're looking for a way to save time and effort on your social media marketing, I highly recommend giving Bard a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to check out Bard for yourself. It's a great way to create great social media content that will help you grow your business. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help.